Hello, everyone. I'm delighted to present a research paper on depiction of culture in advertising. This is a paper which is to be presented in the theme session of Society and Culture in the 13th Global Studies Conference. I am Sangeeta Sharma from Birla Institute of Technology and Science, along with Arpan Bam, who's from the same institute, Bets Pilani, Rajasthan, India, are jointly presenting this paper. This paper will talk about the culture in advertising. Culture is omnipresent and cannot be ignored because advertisers intertwine the cultural practices prevalent in the country to make the everlasting impact on the viewers. The culture of the nation has deep impact on the psychology of the individual, and therefore to increase the recall value they become extra cautious of putting culture in the advertising. For this it is necessary that they know what is the culture of a particular nation and what culture constitute of. We have divided our presentation into four parts. The first part is introduction, which will speak about culture and the role of culture in advertisements, particularly in India, because we have limited our study only to India. In literature review, the past studies would be looked into where the definition of culture has been arrived at, and there is a link which has been shown how culture and advertising are related. Then we will talk about the methods where cultural values are identified for the studies, and the development of questionnaire along with the procedure will be discussed thoroughly. And we will finally present the EFA and CFA model through the factor analysis. Advertising and culture, though there are multiple definitions which exist of culture. However, Hofstede had said that the collective programming of the mind, which distinguish a member of the group from the other people or the category of people, is called as the culture. Barnett has said that there are two components. Firstly, which denote material behavior and objects, and secondly, the cultural material that cover forms of cultural practices. There are innumerable definitions. In fact, it is said that there are 161 definitions of culture, and we cannot say that the culture can be just defined with the help of just one definition. Advertising has culture blended in it. Even when culture is not shown explicitly, it is subtly portrayed in advertisement to generate relatable appeals and positive emotion towards the product service being advertised. This is the definition by Nguyen in 2014. It is also important to study the cultural aspect of advertising as it reflects the cultural changes that occurred in our society. Now, culture in India. People of each country possess unique national character, and that was said by Clark in 1990. The integral values of nation are the one which shapes up the culture of the people. Countries are a source of considerable amount of common mental programming of their citizen. Hofstede had said that in 1991. India has got its root in very rich culture and heritage. And this culture includes everything right from the dressing style, food and eating, habits, values, respect for our elders, dance forms, accessories, customs, jewelry, relationship, family, and many more. Here, a concept of university in diversity is prevalent, which means that even though there are differences in the region, Indians act as a one single unit. I would also like to say we have number of states in India. The culture of each state might be different, but then there is a unifying thread which takes every culture of every state together to form it under one umbrella term. The model for the depiction of culture could remain contain values such as religion, individual, interpersonal etiquette, mannerism, customs, and norms. Here are some popular Indian advertisements which have culture inextricably blended in their execution. The past researchers have said that the culture is an integral part of society which influences values, beliefs, customs, behavior, and many other essential parts of the living of an individual. McCarthy and Hartwig in 1992 propagated that. Active process of meaning making and contestation over definitions including of itself, said Banerjee in 2006. 8. Researches related to culture in advertisements are focused on information content of advertisements. Pole has described a framework consisting of 42 elements for the depiction of cultural values in the advertisement. And therefore, these elements have been incorporated while we were coming up with a model. This framework has, and its modified version, have been extensively used by other studies like Bell et al. In 1985, Chang Schweizer in 1996, G. McNeil in 2001, Lin in 2001, Curry in 2011, and Streak Kundant in 1991. Why there is a need for a specific model for India, it is just because that in all the cross-sectional cultural studies, comparing advertisements of different countries have been found that there is a significant differences. India is described as highly collective nation with a high context culture, as is mentioned by Hofstede and Mehra. India has a unique culture and is influenced by family and group oriented structure. Indians also believe that their lives are guided by the stars, which makes them less willing to take an independent decision, as is by propagated by Moj in 2004 and Sinha in 1990. Indians also consult their seniors and other members from the society before making a significant decision. Excessive number of value items in Pole's model has been specified by Zhang and Harwood in 2004. Now, how the cultural values are identified will be taken up by my co-author.
Hello everyone. For the paper, we have identified a total of 32 cultural values by reviewing the past literature and observing the trends in advertisements which are valid for the Indian context. These values are dresses, clothes, festivals, customs or rituals, family, music, domestic help relations, accessories, relationships or relations, colors, guests, dealing with children, home decorations, guest gender roles, partying, communication, exchange of gifts, food, God worship, religious symbols, temples, animals, behaviors, value, hairstyle, shopping, manners, dance, body language, choice of words, sense of time, space distance, and gestures. After these values are selected through content analysis, a questionnaire has been developed in order to gather responses about the depiction of these cultural values through advertisements. The questionnaire consisted of two sections. In the first section, the participants had to fill the section recognition of cultural values, in which they had to rate all of these cultural values on the Likert scale of 1 to 5 based on their presence in an advertisement, where 1 denoted the minimal presence and 5 denoted the maximum presence of the cultural value. In the other section, participants were to identify the cultural values in the selected advertisements and were asked questions related to the brand name, logo, product or service being offered, and the details present in order to find an impact on the recall value of these cultural advertisements. The questionnaire was also tested for its reliability as well as validity. For the reliability, the criteria used was Cronbach alpha, which on computation yielded a value of 0.827, which is far above than the recommended value of usually in the range 0.6 to 0.7. Content validity was estimated by a group of 6 experts, as mentioned by the method by Lin, and the overall validity was obtained as 0.33. Therefore, this questionnaire is both valid as well as reliable and can be used in further study. The participants for the final study were from different professions, geographical locations, and were from the age group 19 to 38 years. The total number of participants in the study was 136, in which there were 55 females, which constituted 44.4% of the sample, and 81 males, which constituted 59.55% of the sample. To carry out the factor analysis, RStudio as well as IBM SPSS was used. And to propose a model, exploratory factor analysis was done in order to determine the major categories in which the cultural values lie. As exploratory factor analysis need to be confirmed before applying it to actual case scenarios, confirmatory factor analysis was used in order to get a confirmation that the model is correct. But before applying the factor analysis, Taylor-Malin-Oyser test was done in order to determine the construct validity. The test yielded an overall value of 0.78, which is greater than the minimum standard value of 0.5. Hence, exploratory factor analysis can be used to propose a model. By doing the parallel analysis and identifying the number of latent variables, 4 latent variables which had an eigenvalue greater than 1 were observed. For the grouping into the latent variables, the factor loadings which are greater than 0.45 were considered. These were named as individual traits, fun and frolic traits, religious traits, and interpersonal traits. The model henceforth is this. In the individual traits, there are 11 items. Fun frolic, there are 8 items. In the religious, there are 6 items. And in interpersonal, there are 7 items. For the CFA, the results show that the model is valid as the degrees of freedom is 71. The p-value is 0.0003 as compared to the recommended value of 0. The RMSEA value is 0.058 as compared to the recommended value of 0. The comparative fit index is 0.92, which is greater than the recommended value of 0.9. Therefore, all of these paths are estimated as significant, and therefore this model can be used to determine how cultural values are depicted through Indian markets and their impact on recall value as well. After this, the correlation between recall value and all of these traits were determined. The results are shown in this table. For the individual traits, it's minus 0.125. For fun and frolic traits, it is 0.251. For religious traits, it is 0.531. And for interpersonal traits, it is 0.686. Individual traits consist of these items which actually revolve around a person and is focused on his or her personality. These traits include behavior, hairstyle, dresses, manners, gestures, body language, communication, relations, gender roles, shopping, and choice of words and tones. The individual has a full control over these cultural values and can change them with deliberate effort, and they are dependent on individuals' discretion and revolve in their close vicinity. As India is a collectivist society rather than individualistic, a negative correlation of recall value is observed with respect to the individual traits. Fun and frolic traits or pleasure aspects showcase those cultural values which are related to the pleasure activities. These include dance, music, partying, home decorations, food, animals, accessories, and colors. Since they irradiate a positive mood amongst the viewers, therefore, a positive correlation with the recall value is observed and is justified. In, in India, religion is one of the significant determinants of the culture. And initially, when we were selecting the values for the models, it was predicted that one of the components would be focusing completely on the religious values. These religious traits consist of the values such as God worship, festivals, customs and rituals, values, religious symbols, and temples. Since Indians are religious in nature and rest their fate on spiritual beings, which has been concluded by many of the past studies, the correlation of religious traits on recall value is positive. Interpersonal traits include the cultural values which are associated with other people in the surroundings. And it includes with dealing with children, gathering a guest, space distance, domestic help relations, family, and exchange of gifts. And as India is a collectivist society, the impact of cultural values which influence the family or the society or the children have a greater influence. Hence, a positive correlation is observed with the recall value to the interpersonal traits. For the concluding this study made an attempt to understand how various cultural values are portrayed in the advertisements in Indian market and their relationship with the recall value. The findings suggest that there are four broad areas in advertising in which these cultural values can be categorized, namely individual traits, fun and frolic traits, interpersonal traits, and religious traits. For the recall value, except for individual traits, we have observed that for fun and frolic traits, interpersonal, and religious traits, there is a positive correlation with the recall value, and for individual traits, there is a negative correlation.